Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts. I'm here today with another easy and quick pair of earrings that I'm going to make using my African print fabric. So, what we have is the beautiful fabric. I have this fabric in a 10-pack, and I'll show you at the end. But I'm just going to take a little piece of this fabric. I'm going to attach it to some watercolor paper. And this paper is a lightweight watercolor paper. It is, I buy it in these little pads, and it's 140-pound watercolor paper. Now, if it's not very thick, so if you wanted to, you could double it if you wanted your earring to be more sturdy. But the earring that I'm making today needs to be flexible. So what I'm going to do is just cut a little piece of I'm going to cut the sheet in half. Oops, let me show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use my shape templates. I have a set of a 10-piece shape template set. This is the large set. I have 4 or 5 different variations, but this is the large set. And I'm going to use one of my little, I don't know what you call this, but I like to make a folded teardrop earring. So I'm going to use this to cut my fabric. So let me put this aside and let me cut my, let's see, I want to make sure that okay, yeah, that'll be good enough for that. And really, I'm just going to, I'm really stingy with my with my fabric. Oh no, I use my beautiful cutting shears to cut this paper, and I don't like doing that because it will make them get dull really quick. So anyway, I've got this. I'm going to cut a little piece of my fabric and attach it. So now I need my beautiful shears. Just cut this fabric. It doesn't take very much to make a fabulous pair of earrings because the fabric is so awesome. Okay, let me I'm going to use the back side of one of my mats. So I'm going to put some white glue on my paper, on my watercolor paper, and I'm going to use a little sponge brush to, I'm spreading the glue. Now I'm going to attach my fabric. I'm working way back here. Okay. Now I'm going to paint the other side of my material. I'm going to paint it gold. I'm not a painter, so this is what you get when you're not a painter. When Sherry's not a painter, this is what you get. Okay, so I'm going to use my heat gun to dry this because I am impatient. Okay, that's dry. We are, believe it or not, we are almost done with making these earrings. So I'm gonna use my, my shape template. Where is it? Where's my template? Okay. These are actually clear. I just have this blue covering over it, but they come, it's removable. So all I'm gonna do is turn my material over. I'm going to trace 2 earrings with my pen. They have a little hole in them, but I don't really need the hole. But you might need the hole, I don't know. Okay. Earring number 2. All right. So I'll cut this out. Okay, that's one. These templates make it so easy to make your earrings. Just trace and cut. Okay, so we have our 2 earrings. This one needs to be trimmed a little bit more. I didn't do a great job of following my line. Ha, that's better. Okay, now all we do is fold them. Gonna fold it like this, and I have my little pliers that I use to make holes, punch holes. I have a link to this little dude. I get mine on Amazon, and so I have a link to the my Amazon store where I have these if you want them. Now I have some pendant clasp ear hooks that I love because I don't have to use jump rings with them. So all I do here is I put my little hook in there, press it with my finger, press it with my finger, and then take my pliers that I put somewhere. Pliers. Oh. Okay. Take my pliers and then I just squeeze, and it's done. One earring. Okay, let's do it Again, now that I have everything here that I need, I have my hole punch, punch my little hole, put my little hook in there, close it with my fingers, squeeze it with my fingers, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Okay. And now finish it up with my pliers. Got it. All right. Are these not cute? These are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. You know, what I could have done is I could have turned this one around, and so both of them would be purple. I think I'll do that. I wonder if that's going to be. Okay, oh, I know what I can do. I can just open this up, open that up, turn the earring around, and voila. I have 2 purple and gold earrings. All right, good people. If you like this video, please like, share, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber, I invite you to subscribe. We have over 800 jewelry videos and videos about making money in your business. All right. Also, let's see, what else do I need to tell you? Oh, we have this pattern is a part of a 10-piece set that I have for jewelry makers. I have a 10-piece set of African print fabric, and they are the glam fabrics, the just beautifully embellished fabrics. 6 in the pack are embellished, and then we have 4 that are not embellished. But this is one of, no, this is not the one this is one in the group. This is another one. This is another one. This is another one. This is the one that I just used in the earrings. Here's another one, another one. Here's this one. Here's this one. It's got all kinds of patterns, African print patterns in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yes, 12 by 12 pieces, and there is a link in the video. Also, if you look on the video, it says shop. You can get them there. And the 10-piece, the 10-piece shape template set. And here is piece number 10. And this was the one that I used to make these earrings. All right, good people. I think I've told you everything I need to tell you. So this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.